We're speaking with Kevin Jobsky, Director of Marketing for ICM Controls, on the advanced technology in the ICM860 Rapid Start. Thank you, Kevin. It's great to have you back.
Oh, the pleasure's all mine. It's great to be able to reach out to your audience and keep them up to date on the latest technologies and product advances at ICM.
We were discussing Hard Start kits. Why don't you quickly refresh everyone's mind on what a Hard Start kit is and when they would likely need one?
A Hard Start kit is traditionally used to assist in the starting of a single-phase PSC motor to provide a boost in order to overcome the motor's low starting torque. Some common field conditions where a contractor would consider adding a Hard Start kit would include cases in which lights dim when the unit starts, the unit won't start under high head pressure, long line sets, a tight compressor, or the unit is just old and needs a boost.
What are the different types of Hard Start kits on the market?
Two of the more popular types of Hard Start kits that are widely available include a potential relay employed with a start capacitor or a PTCR device, which is essentially a pre-wired combination device. In both cases, the capacitor is used to increase the phase angle between the start and run windings to create the torque needed to start the motor.
What is the different technology behind each of these devices?
A potential relay engages and disengages the start capacitor from the circuit based on predefined pickup and dropout voltages specific to the motor and the back EMF it generates. The greater the motor speed, the more back EMF is produced. Now, all motors have different magnitudes of back EMF, and when the back EMF reaches a high enough value, also known as the motor's pickup voltage, the relay takes the start capacitor out of the circuit.
And the PTCR device?
A PTCR device is different in that after it empties its full capacitor charge into the motor's start windings, the unit relies on a pair of ceramic thermal pellets or discs that are responsible for taking the capacitor out of the circuit based on measured heat and resistance from the current draw across the start windings. Unlike the potential relay, there is no predefined parameter that makes it motor specific. So a single PTCR device can work on a wider range of PSC motors depending on the thermal pellet ratings and size charge the capacitor can deliver.
Is one technology better than the other?
When it comes to these two devices, it's really a matter of user preference. Because a potential relay uses predefined values specific to each motor, you can have a lot of part numbers to manage or inventory to take with you on a truck. A PTCR device, on the other hand, while being more universal, may not be as precise. Plus, an undersized unit could damage the start windings and lead to premature motor failure. Also, because the start pellets are thermal-based, the device can be affected more easily by low and high ambient conditions, especially since a PTCR device typically needs a few minutes to cool down in between each start attempt.
So how does the technology of the ICM860 Rapid Start compare with the standard potential relay or PTCR device?
Like a PTCR device, the ICM860 is a combination device. However, that's where the similarities end. The ICM860 features patented circuitry and differential voltage sensing technology to engage and disengage the start capacitor from the circuit with greater accuracy. Similar to a potential relay, the ICM860 is using back EMF as its trigger to take the start cap out of the circuit. But unlike a potential relay, the ICM860 circuitry actually measures the back EMF and intelligently determines when to cut the start cap out of the circuit. This advanced circuitry allows the ICM860 to be self-adjusting, so it safely works on a variety of motor sizes. In fact, the ICM860 is rated for 1/12 to 5 horsepower applications.
That seems really great for suppliers and contractors that are trying to reduce inventory.
Absolutely. The ICM860 will eliminate scores of part numbers. It's a great truck stock item.
You've mentioned the accuracy and the universality of the ICM860. Are there any other advantages to the ICM860 that users should know about?
One feature that contractors love is the fact that our unit is fuse protected. In the event of a catastrophic system problem, our unit might be taken out, but it will protect the motor from damage. It's a lot easier and cost-effective to replace a Hard Start kit than it is a motor or something potentially more.
Well, there you have it. Another great product and great technology from ICM Controls.